Hi everybody, it's Mr. D at In the Middle with Mr. D1 at blogspot.com with teaching tips for lesson 22, day 1 of my sight singing program S Cubed, available on Teachers Pay Teachers at Music in the Middle with Mr. D. So today's written warm-up is going to be about syncopation, because today we're going to actually add syncopation into an actual sight singing example. So we want to prepare them for that experience. So that's what it's all about, and you want to focus on that. Even though we've talked about it before, we bring it back up, put it fresh in the front of their brain so they're ready to do it. And then we do a group rhythm exercise again with syncopation, and then we're going to go right into our game. We're going to keep using fa, re, ti, because we're going to do those skips in the next lesson coming up. Then we're going to do follow the hand, and I'm going to focus very hard on all of those intervals we've been working on. La, fa, re, ti, do, la, that sort of thing. And then we hit our example, our sight singing example. And that one has lots of syncopations in it. We have some teaching tips for the kids at the bottom, as I often do, and hopefully they'll have no trouble. Now, the thing you're going to have to be careful about is the 8th note that follows the dotted quarter. That's what students want to hold too long. They want to treat it like a quarter note because the syncopation feels unnatural for them. So that's what you're going to want to pinpoint and target as you're teaching, to help them get used to that feeling, be aware that it's probably going to happen, and if you hear them in the chaos time practicing it and holding it too long, just call it to their attention. Let's go ahead and get that comfort level higher with that combination so they know how to handle it. That's what you got for lesson 22, day 1. We're almost there. It's on Teachers Pay Teachers at Music in the Middle with Mr. D. Have a great day.